trial and arraignment, we are done with that. Arraignment, so of course, we pleaded not guilty, or ma'am pleaded not guilty with the crime alleged.
Ma'am, bakit not guilty?
Oh, well, syempre, hindi siya guilty talaga sa kina-crime, or I mean sa sinasabi nila, kasi ang allegation is qualified human trafficking. So number one, she has no participation. Yun naman po. Without going into further details kasi baka naman masubjudice tayo. Pero on the part of our client is she is firm na not guilty po siya dito sa crime na pinaparatak sa kanya.
Sa pre-trial po, nangyari din kanina?
Pre-trial po, hindi pa lang tapos. Pero nag-proceed na kami, yung marking na lang ng documents, yun na lang po ang kulang natin.
Anong nangyari sa pre-trial, if you can share?
Well, the usual procedure, listing of the witnesses, the target, the issues, the stipulations of facts, yun lang po. I'm sorry, I cannot go into details kasi medyo confidential.